This is Heather Cleveland, and I will be doing a demonstration on how to make an assembly drawing in Inventor. First, I'm going to start by launching Inventor. Then in the drop down of the New, I'm going to select the Assembly. Once it loads, we will start by placing our first drawing. I have mine already done, so I'm going to select my project geometry. I'm going to open it. I'm going to left mouse click once and then hit escape because I only want one. Now I'm going to try to find a set home position I like. When I find that position on my view cube, I will right mouse click, scroll down to set current view as home, and then you can't see it, but I'll hit fix distance. Then I'll come over to my model tree over here, and I'm going to right mouse click on my first placed part, and I will hit grounded. This way, whenever I move this object or any more objects I put in here and I hit home, this is where it will go. Next, for my next part, I'm going to do the same thing, which is place. I'll go and find my second part I'd like to place, which is a shaft. I'll hit open. I'll left mouse click once. I don't want two parts, so I'll hit escape. Now I'm going to set the viewfinder cube a little different. Zoom in a little bit. Now I'm going to go up and hit constrain. I want to do an insert constraint, so I'll hit that. Now I'm going to select where I want this to be inserted, which is there, and then I want it to there. You can see that it's kind of backwards of how I want it, so I'm just going to find this opposed. I want to do aligned, and then I don't like how it's flushed, so I'm going to come over here and I want to set it to a 0.5 offset, and you can see that right here. I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to cancel this. Next, I'm going to place my final part, and I'll do place. I'll find my third part, which is a pulley. I'll open that. I'll left mouse click. I don't want to, so I'll hit escape. I'll hit constrain again. I want the same thing, insert. I'm going to click. It doesn't matter which one you click first, just as long as you have both of them. I don't like this gap between the pulley and my project geometry first part, so I'm going to, since I did a 0.5 the first time, I'm going to do negative 0.5, so it brings it backwards and you saw that shift. I'll hit apply because I like that, and I'll hit cancel. And now I have my final assembly drawing. I'd like to place it on a title block. You can open it up, and I already have a title block saved in my stuff, so I'll find my Inventor title block and open it. I'll come here to base. I want to set my current view. I want it solid. I want to hit OK, and I'll save this as my assembly drawing. Hit save. And then I'll bring it in, and I actually don't like those views. I'm going to delete this. Let's set this, do current, and hit OK. And I don't want more than one, so I'll hit escape. Find my red dotted box around so I can drag it where I want it. And that looks good. And now I will update my title block by double clicking, and I'll just name this assembly and hit OK. My name's right. I'll change the date. Today looks like it is 10/8, and I'll hit OK. And my scale, I did scale of 1 to 1, so I'll change my scale 1 to 1. I'll hit OK, and when my title block is all edited, I will hit finish sketch, and then I will be able to file, print.